The 2025 Honda BRV has finally made its debut, bringing a bold mix of practicality, advanced features, and refined design that is set to appeal to modern families and SUV enthusiasts alike. As a seven-seater crossover SUV, the BRV has always carved a niche in markets looking for value-packed mobility, and the 2025 edition takes that appeal even further with updates that improve both form and function. The new BRV retains its muscular stance but with sharper styling cues, a more prominent front grille, and sleeker LED headlamps that give it a commanding road presence. Honda has enhanced the overall aerodynamic design, making it not only more attractive but also more efficient. The body lines are smoother and more purposeful, while the rear now features redesigned taillights connected by a light bar for a more upscale appearance. The 17-inch alloy wheels also add a touch of sportiness without compromising comfort. Under the hood, the Do Safar Do Punch BRV continues with Honda's trusted 1.5-liter engine, producing around 121 horsepower. It's paired with either a smooth shifting CVT or a manual gearbox depending on the variant. While it may not be a powerhouse, the engine is optimized for city and highway performance, delivering a balance of responsive acceleration and fuel efficiency. Honda's commitment to reliability remains a core strength, ensuring that the BRV performs consistently over time with minimal maintenance needs. Inside, the Do Safar Do Punch BRV offers a significantly improved cabin experience. The materials used in the interior are more premium, with soft touch panels and refined stitching that elevate the look and feel. The dashboard is neatly laid out, with a floating 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, steering-mounted controls, and a revised instrument cluster with a digital display contribute to a more connected driving experience. Seating comfort is a major highlight, especially with the flexible 3-row configuration. The second row seats now have improved recline functions, while the third row, although best suited for children or short trips, folds flat to open up cargo space when needed. With all rows folded down, the BRV transforms into a capable cargo hauler, ideal for weekend trips and family adventures. Safety has also been a key focus. The Do Safar Do Punch BRV includes Honda Sensing in select variants, which bundles advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation braking system. Standard safety equipment includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability assist, rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera. This focus on safety and driver assistance tech gives the BRV an edge over some rivals in the segment. Honda has priced the BRV competitively, positioning it well against alternatives like the Toyota Rush, Mitsubishi Xpander, and Suzuki XL7. The Do Safar Do Punch BRV is targeted at those who want the versatility of an MPV with the rugged appeal of an SUV, and it delivers on that promise with style, efficiency, and dependability. With its refreshed design, improved tech features, and proven mechanicals, the new BRV stands out as one of the strongest contenders in its class and is well suited to meet the evolving needs of modern families.